That's J.D. Edwards, and you're going to hear him live coming up on BT. He and his band are going to be one of 5 groups joining 5 filmmakers at the upcoming Bands vs. Filmmakers show at the West End Cultural Center on June 6th. Whenever he shows up in studio, we make him bring his guitar and get him to play a song for us. This is one he co-wrote with Winnipeg musician, Aaron Prop, with Winnipeg musician Aaron Prop. Here's J.D. Edwards on BT with My Old Garage.
My old garage, back my house. It's been there since 1952. Wood's all rotten, it's leaning to one side. The foundation's cracked, but the treasures it hides remind me of my old grandpa and how he'd spend every night. And there's old Grams looking out from the house, wondering what he's doing inside. 1940s war hero, he learned everything that he knows from preacher talk radio, and I can still hear him humming, "Be thou my vision, Lord." Echo off the walls of this old garage. Hammers and saws, gloves and a spade, a tool for every job. He was the jack of all trades. Cigar for bread, whiskey for the wine, holy moments growing on the vines outside. We'd spend the nights in the evening light, listening to the stories of the days gone by. A 1940s war hero, he learned everything that he knows from preacher talk radio, and I can still hear him humming, "Be thou my vision, Lord." Echo off the walls of this old garage. '40s war hero, he learning everything that he knows from preacher talk radio, and I can still hear him humming, "Be thou my vision, Lord." Echo off the walls of this old